Stunning new AI could be conscious with Elon Musk. The pace at which advanced AI is growing is quite surprising with the presence of a new AI that Musk claims to be conscious. Masses are left with many unanswered questions, which include how conscious is the new AI, what exactly is the new AI, and how will it affect the world today? Join me today in this as we discuss more about the stunning new AI. The Tesla CEO Elon Musk does not stop surprising people with his new inventions. He always comes up with insane ideas which to many seem like impossibilities. Elon said his mission in coming up with an AI was to help people tackle repetitive and boring tasks. The new AI can explain complex jokes. This makes the AI closer to human intelligence than GPT-3, which is surpassing humans in terms of general knowledge. This is due to the presence of the ability to establish a relationship with human beings. AI is also able to adjust footage and give people various expressions or even change their age. It can also create realistic faces to a point one cannot differentiate it from a human being. They have incredible new skills. This can also be the reason why Musk bought Twitter. The stunning new AI can also create images from text descriptions to pass a message. 3D planning is another unique feature present in the AI. As such, the AI understands objects better and the relationship that exists among the objects. This puts them in a position of doing anything they are asked to. It can also be involved in changing a person's hairstyle when asked to. They are said to be better than human artists. This is because they can create different styles of art within a short period. Their art and design quality is 99% better than what the best humans can achieve. AI is also playing a significant role, especially in enhancing how films are made. The LED screens are set to replace the green screens. This has led to the creation of realistic reflections and colors on the actors. More natural light on reflection has a great impact on enhancing the quality. It can also take images of a place and fill in the gaps to create a 3D environment. It can also do voice recording and show exactly what the person looks like. There are also advanced robots fitted with a magnet that is responsible for wall cleaning. Other machines are there to allow one person to do a job that is supposed to be done by many people. The new AI can also be a lifesaver since it can move inside our bodies to remove unwanted items that one may swallow accidentally. It will be a benefit to parents whose children swallow things like small batteries at a tender age. Boston Dynamic Robot will also serve as a security guard. Other than driving Tesla cars in the sense that they are more cautious, Elon believes the AI can still do more. The AI is also able to process relevant information. Since AI can do what humans can do, people are at risk of losing their jobs. Musk believes they will do more apart from self-driving of cars. AI revolution could mean a lot of freedom to people, especially those who hate engaging in activities that are boring and repetitive. The body of a Tesla AI may be limited, but the brain they have is extraordinary. Working with AI will require us to focus more on what makes us humans. The medical sector will also receive much from AI technology. The AI could help premature babies to survive. In addition, the stunning new AI will relieve women from childbirth through the use of artificial wombs. Moreover, those needing an organ transplant might obtain it much more safely, thus evading the deaths caused as a result of waiting for a transplant. AI presence will revolutionize the world by making complex tasks easier and play a role in abolishing repetitive tasks. Thanks to Elon Musk for always working hard to change the world into a better place. Thank you for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any latest news about AI and Elon Musk.